Here is the Amazon Echo input, and you can add Alexa to anything. Hey, how are you doing today? Shivam here, and today's video is all about the Amazon Echo input, which is the latest family member in the Amazon Echo family. So before we talk anything more about this device, let's unbox this and see what we will be getting inside the box. So here is the standard Amazon packaging, and inside the box we have the retail packaging of the Amazon Echo input. So right here on the front of the box it says Echo input, bring Alexa to your own speaker. Now here is the image of the Echo input itself. Below that it says Amazon and far field voice control. Moving further to the right side of the box, it lists some features of this device. Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, and separate speaker required. Below that it says what's included in the package: Echo input, power adapter of 5 watt, micro USB cable, and 3.5mm audio cable. Now what's needed for this device to work is a speaker or home audio system with Bluetooth or 3.5mm audio input. Now moving to the back of the box, it says add Alexa to your speaker, designed around your voice, and voice control your music. Now as you proceed further with this, it says exploring thousands of skills including Amazon Prime Music, Hue, Savan, ESPN, Aajtak, Ola, and many more. Now that was all the readings of the box, and now let's just don't waste any time and quickly open this up. Wait, I have an idea for this. Why don't we just ask Alexa itself to do this unboxing? Seems like a good idea, no? Let's just give it a try. Alexa, unbox yourself. Yup, it worked. So here is the Amazon Echo input itself. Very decent looking small device. Other than that, we also have a wall adapter, a micro USB cable, a 3.5mm cable, and last but not the least we have user manuals. So that was all the contents of the box, and now let's start setting up the device and start using the Amazon Echo input. So to set up the Amazon Echo input, all you need to do is just download the Alexa app on your smartphone. You can do this on both Android and iOS devices. Now after you have downloaded the app, just power on the Amazon Echo input by plugging in the included wall adapter and the micro USB cable to the Echo input. Now after that you have to pair this to the app, and you can do that by following these steps. Open up the Alexa app, sign in to your Amazon account, select Setup an Amazon Echo, select Echo input from the list, and tap on Continue. Now you need to give permissions for location access, and after that it will search for the device. Select your Echo input device from the list. Now you need to connect this Echo input to your Wi-Fi network. Now after you have done that, now you need to pair this to the speaker. You can either use your aux cable or Bluetooth. For now we are going to use the aux cable. Select the device placement, let's say bedroom for now, and after this it will give you this video which unfortunately you cannot skip. So let's get rid of this by quitting the app, and that's it. Open up the app again and enjoy your Amazon Alexa on your speaker. I also want to show you, if you want to connect this to a Bluetooth speaker, then just go to the devices, select Echo input settings, and select pair with Alexa gadget, and here you can select your Bluetooth speaker. Now this will give you functionality of using the power of Alexa on your wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now the only thing you need to keep plugged in is the micro USB cable. So that was how to set up the Amazon Echo input, and now let's talk about my user experience with this device. So first of all, what is an Amazon Echo input? I know it's a bit late to explain, but Amazon Echo input is a small device which can add power of AI or Amazon powered Alexa to any of your existing speaker. In other words, you can also say it's the Amazon Echo Dot without a speaker. Although this is laid in the Amazon Echo family, but why I think it's a great device is because if you already have an awesome speaker system and you want to use Alexa with it, then you can do this with this device. Although this can be also done with the Amazon Echo Dot, but you have to pay extra for that sometimes. At regular price, you can get the Amazon Echo input for 3,000 rupees or $35 on Amazon.com. and Echo Dot 3rd generation for 4,500 rupees or $49. But sometime on sale you can get the Amazon Echo Dot for around 3,000 rupees or $20 to $30. So you can wait for sales and buy the Amazon Dot for near the price of Echo Input, or you can buy the Echo Input right now. Also, if you want to see the current price of this device, you can check out the links down below in the description. Other than pricing, if we talk about the device, then it is a small little device. It's a very lightweight device weighing around 78 grams, and it comes with two different colors, which is black and white. However, the white color is only available in some countries. On the top we have two buttons, Alexa button and mute button, and LED indicator. I would rather love to see the LED ring light, but this is all we get. But anyways, other than that we get aux and micro USB port on the back, and on the bottom we have rubber feet which stops the device from slipping away. Otherwise it does what it says, and I think it's a great device to add Alexa to any of your existing speaker. One thing I could also think of this is by putting this into your car. Let me know guys if you want a full tutorial on how to put this into your car in the comments down below. So that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.